boom 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 boom.
Hi, I'm Rahma. And I'm Karima. And today we are doing the blindfold draw challenge. We have some words in this cup, and we're supposed to pick one out and wear the blindfold, draw it, while the other person's supposed to guess what they're drawing. And we have a time of 20 seconds. Rock, paper, scissors to see who starts? Sure. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. I start. Yay. Okay, I'm ready for you. 1, 2, 3, start. 20 seconds. The sun. A flower. A flower? Wasn't that obvious? Yeah. It's a flower, right? Yeah. How does it look? Hey, actually, I should have used a darker color, but it kind of looks like a flower. Okay, my turn. Just pick one out. Where is it? Okay, I got it back. Okay, I got mine. You ready? Yep. Okay, you have, oops, this, okay, ready? Uh-huh. 1, 2, 3, go. Star? Yeah! Does it look beautiful? It's beautiful. It's beautiful and shiny. See? That was easy. I don't know. Okay. Wait. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. A dinosaur? A dinosaur. A dog? No. A train? Where is its face? Face? I don't know. Oh my god. What is it? What is this? Can anyone guess what this is? It's a masterpiece. What is it? It was supposed to be a goat. Wow. And the goat says, bah. This was supposed to be the mouth. See, it was supposed to be connected, and the eyes are supposed to. I didn't put eyes. Anyway. I'm ready. Ready? 1. Wait. Wait. No, this one. 1, 2, 3, go. What is that? A person? A snake? A guitar?
Yay!
Okay. Oh my god! That does not look. It looks more of a comb than a guitar. It's close. It's more. It looks so weird. Guitar.
Are you ready?
No, I didn't even pick a word yet. Okay, pick it. It's probably the. Why are you looking at me? I'm not looking at you, see? This one would be so weird. Okay, let's get orange. No, I'm trying to get it to the closest color. Okay, wait. Ready? And go. A sun? A chicken? A person? I need yellow. Get me yellow. You have yellow. Just use it. Continue. I don't know where it went. Is it a person? No. I don't know. Yeah. No, I don't know what it is. I don't know if you said it, but... What is this? Oh, no! What was it? It was a lemon. Oh, my God. Why is it lemon hairy? It was supposed to be a lemon. It's an old lemon. Okay. 1, 2, wait. Okay. 3, start. M. What is it? A float? Lips? What kind? Lipstick? No. What size is it? Big lips? Yeah. Okay, ta-da. Big lips. I still think my gut was better. You got it? Okay. Okay, let me get a color. Let's do this color. And let me put, wait, where's the paper? Is this the paper? Yeah. Good? Okay, I'm ready. Start. What the heck? Is that, what is that, a car? A ship? Lighthouse. A party? What is it? Okay. What was it? A cake? It was a cake. It looks like people. That's why I said a happy birthday. No, it looks like people on top of like going upstairs. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And comment down below what challenge you want us to do next. See you in the next one.